What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Let's go see what the guys are working on. I believe there's a 2018-2019 Mustang that is getting some taillight work done and a banner. And we have a new media intern coming in, Supercar Suspects. So we got a busy day ahead of us. So let's go. Hola, señores. ¿Cómo está?
Hola, amigo.
You know, just making templates, because that's what we do here.
Thorough.
How much more thorough?
What year?
It is a Mustang GT something year, and I don't know what else. Just put everything else below, because I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing full smoke on the headlights and also the taillights, which is why Christian so awkwardly told us what he was doing back there. So hopefully he gets those templates dialed for me by the time I finish these headlights. I'll get those installed, and then this guy will be on the road. What the? I don't know what the hell's going on in the shop anymore.
Dang, that's dope.
Hi, my name is Andy, and I'm here for Intern for Premium Auto Styling. Got my camera equipment. I'm gonna get to know these guys and see how it goes. Nervous, but you know what? It's all about, you know, taking chances in life, so I'm gonna go for it.
All right, man. Best of luck.
Thank you.
So we're gonna introduce intern Andy. He's gonna take over the vlog. See what he comes up with.
The idea in this room is to bring it to life. It's our creative space. Mainly, we got in there and started working. Decorating it, adding kind of like our flavor and our everybody's individual character is coming soon, but you know, in the workplace, it's just busy, so it takes time to make little stuff extra happen, but it will eventually. I love this, bro. Shout out to your brother. Your brother is Michael, right?
Yeah.
Michael, thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. If I owe you any money, please let me know.
Got the right measurements?
Yeah, we are. This is the final. This is the final piece. So no more disgusting yellow. We're on to putting the real thing on.
Today we got the 2018 Mustang in. Brand new platform for the Mustang, so a little bit of the product's different than our previous generations. The taillights are way different and they're a lot more complex. So I'm gonna show you what the install process looks like. I would say DIY standpoint, out of a 10, this is probably gonna be an 8 to 9. The install is definitely very difficult. I've already done the other side, so we'll show you guys a comparison of what the smoked versus the stock looks like. We'll also show you what the light output looks like. Not much of a difference on the lighting side, which is a good thing. So you get the cool look, but then again, it doesn't take down the visibility of the taillight. Let's just get into the install. Let's do this. First thing you're gonna do is clean off the taillight, get rid of any debris. It is a brand new car, so the taillights aren't that dirty. The things you wanna focus on is getting any wax off of it. A lot of times when your car's getting detailed or cleaned up, people will run a quick detailer over the paint, the taillights, all the good stuff. Get that off. How we do it is we use a water and alcohol solution. We'll spray it down and we'll wipe it off. First things first, pre-cuts right here. They're all in line and in order. So all three of these are different. This is the outer overlay. Grabbing the first overlay here, this is the one that goes right here. I sprayed down the light. Now I'm gonna spray the adhesive side of the vinyl and put it into place. Multiple bends in this light. And if you're not experienced with the film, you're gonna have a little bit of a harder time. That's why these videos are being made, is to show you guys exactly what you're getting to if you're purchasing this. If you look here, there's a pretty aggressive bend that goes right here out, works its way down, and it also bows out here again. And then you bows back in this way, which becomes a little bit difficult to get to that area. The reason why the pre-cuts are so beneficial is because you don't have to do any trimming. It's very difficult to go in here with the blade and trim and not cut on the taillight. So that's why these pre-cuts are, I would say, almost a must for this vehicle.
Dang, who's that coming to free me up? Let me hear it. What up, bro?
What's up?
That thing sounds nice, man. All right, so it's been a month since we wrapped the car. How's the upkeep on the car? Let us know. How's the wrap holding up? How's everything going?
No problems at all. Nothing. Looks perfect. Everyone that sees it thinks it's paint, and then they tell them it's a wrap, and they're all surprised and stuff. It looks absolutely amazing, especially under the sunlight. Everyone, when they see it under the sunlight, in person, it looks much, much better. On camera, it doesn't do justice. Trust me. You gotta see it in person.
Hey, Supercar! What up, dude? How are you, man?
bro?
Good to see you, brother.
Good.
Hey, the car looks sick, man.
Thank you, bro. How are you, bro?
That was
Hear that?
That was what?
You're a two-step right now?
No, I thought it was a Honda out there.
Oh. Hey, that little world's longest nose hair, bro.
Stop, you're very... Oh, his car is fucking fast. And right now he said it's not even like close to where it's going to be, so...
Not even 1/3 the horsepower.
I won't expose his numbers that he's going for, but I will tell you this: any YouTuber trying to race another YouTuber, you're probably gonna get smoked. So if you guys know AFE's car was in, I would say 2 or 3 vlogs back at this point. We're gonna be doing some extra stuff to it. They wanna add more decals. There was a ton of opportunity to do more. At the time, we just didn't have approval on it. Now we do. So we're gonna add some more stuff to it, make it look more like a race car, and you guys will see it at Beamer Fest.
Nice seeing you guys.
Got through the install. I did tell you guys from the beginning it's a little bit more complex than the usual taillight because of all the aggressive bends, but it is achievable with the pre-cut overlays. The pre-cut overlays definitely were a plus. If you were trying to do this in a bulk sheet of material that weren't pre-cut, it become very difficult trying to trim out all in these areas here. Like I said earlier, on a 1 to 10, this is definitely an 8, maybe even a 9. Now that I've done my second light, I will say it's definitely a difficult taillight, but it is achievable. If you do have this car, I would definitely seek professional installation or buy 2 sets. The pre-cuts are available at premiumautostyling.com, link in the description. If you're watching this on Facebook, wherever the Facebook link is at. Click the link below. If you're watching this on Facebook, click the link below, premiumautostyling.com. Thanks, guys.